I want to talk about ratings because they're not fair, and I believe they're not even legal. Now, you guys can see I have a 4.91. I have a bunch of 5 stars, 1 4-star, 2 3-stars, and 1 1-star. Doordash doesn't care, because the sooner they can get you to 4.5, the sooner they can get you off the platform. But at the same time, let me ask you this question. Would you guys believe me that I have 4.91 if you guys have not seen it, when I have communications 11 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down, following delivery instructions 11 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down, order handling 10 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down, friendliness 12 thumbs up, 0 thumbs down, customer compliments above and beyond, I have 10 of them. And quotes from the customer, backyard can't be entered from parking lot. Well, I guess that was the instructions for the delivery instructions. So, would you guys agree that I actually have these low star ratings with no indication in anything else that of me doing anything wrong? Let me ask you this. How would you like to get pulled over and cop tells you, hey, you have a warrant for arrest? You get arrested, you get brought into the jail, and you ask, what is the warrant? What is the warrant? And they say, we have no clue. You show up to a judge, and judge says, I have no clue. We have no records. We have a warrant for arrest, but we have no records. What for? That's exactly what's happening here. If you show up, if you get a warrant for arrest, that means there is a record. What for? That means police can pull it and it can tell you. That means when you show up in front of the judge can tell you, right? If somebody's charging you with something, they have evidence, right? They have reason what they're charging you with. When customer leaves less than a 5-star rating, it's almost the same thing. But at the same time, I don't see nowhere down here. You call customer service, they say they cannot even see it. What's for? What am I being charged for? If it's a less than 5-star rating, I need to know what it's for, what I'm being charged for. Because now I got charged with a 4-star. What it is for? I got charged with a 3-star. What is that for? I got charged with a 1-star. What is that for? But if there is no charge, if there is no reason, can they be valid? No, they cannot be valid. See, about a month ago, we had an issue with 0-star ratings that it says they are excluded, but at the same time they were counted. And I have a video, you guys can go back and find it. I called the Doordash, they fixed that problem. So now there's another way to actually get you off the platform faster, because you're not accepting all of the deliveries they want you to accept. Because they need to get rid of us. Because they need drivers to accept everything that they send. Those are the only drivers that they care about. So, they're going to start creating fake and ratings on your platform as if customer rated you less. Because they have no proof. They cannot prove it. I cannot prove it, but I can. Because I don't see a reason why. So DoorDash, every rating that is less than 5 and there is no reason it's not valid, and you provide me all grounds to believe that you are the one rating me instead of customer. So fix it. If not, I invite all the drivers out there that the rating went down during this holiday season, starting from Thanksgiving, going down through the New Year's. If your rating has dropped, let's unite and let's take DoorDash to court as if it's their fault that your rating fell. Teach them a lesson if they are not willing to work with us and fix their problems. If you get a less than 5, you need to know what it's for. If you do not know, it has no ground, it's not valid. I already called DoorDash and I already told them that. And I'll call again and I'll call again. Until either we start seeing the reason why, or they deactivate me, or they start removing these less than 5-star ratings. Because they have no ground. Blessings to all. I wish you guys can stay positive after this video, because it kind of gets me. But trust me, guys, I want all the best for you guys. I want fairness, not fog into our face. And the way I'll say, and this is what I'll say, if we cannot get fairness out of those companies, let's start building companies that we can get fairness. And I'm not talking about just another delivery app. I'm talking about rebuilding this country with new companies that will be fair, will be honest, and will remove this corruption. Hey, look at Elon Musk. Not Biden, our president. He's not my president, but he's somebody's president in this country. Even he is refusing to admit Elon Musk as an innovator, as a leader in auto industry. We can see how corrupt all this is. Let's fight it. Elon Musk fighting the automotive industry. We can fight other fields as well. And I can tell you, we will win. When we unite, we will win. So this channel, as well as Pedro channel, is becoming more than just driving for DoorDash. DoorDash is just a stepping stone. It's a stepping stone to make you money, feed your family, and save enough of money to start something new. And most of all, to change this world to a better place. Because if we won't, then they're going to win. Love you all, and blessings to every single one of you.